What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Walk Around Wednesday. All right, guys, got another Walk Around Wednesday for you. Today, we're gonna look at the 1949 Chevy pickup. We actually showed this one on a Walk Around Wednesday a few weeks ago. We've got a lot done in a few weeks' time. There's a lot happening on this truck. Really excited about it. We've got a deadline on this one, so hopefully in a few weeks, what we see right here is a truck driving down the road. We hope, fingers crossed. Oh, by the way, we've got a lot of shirts on the website. Check out the Maverick shirt updated with the camper top on it. So if you need a shirt, head over to the website, check those out. The link is in the description down below. Pretty good Christmas gift, can get them in time. We've got them packed up and ready to ship out. All right, so getting into this 49 Chevy a little bit. We're doing long form videos on this truck. They're dropping every Sunday, so all the details to what we've done you can find on those Sunday episodes, so check those out. But right now, I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around vlog style of what we got happening, and figured you guys might like to see some progress. So with this 49 Chevy truck, we built it about 15 years ago. Super nice truck. Back then, we did it on an S10 chassis, sat pretty low, just a small block in it. It was a super nice driver truck. The owners have really enjoyed it, and they decided, hey, we're gonna take it up a notch. So that's what we've been working on through this past year, and we're approaching the finish line. So beside us is our Roadster Shop Revo chassis. It's all fully TIG welded. We've got coilovers front and rear, tubular control arms, bare brakes, rack and pinion. Out back, we've got the Ford 9-inch, went with 325 gears, also bare brakes in the back. Fuel system, so these chassis are set up ready to go. Super easy swap to do in these trucks. So when we got it in bare metal, we did a full mock-up on the truck and we sent it out to powder coat. We normally paint them, but we actually decided in the time crunch we'd let somebody else handle the finish for us. So we got it powder coated. Finish looks great. We did a charcoal gray on the frame rails, kind of goes with the interior of the truck. And then we've got a burgundy accent color that's on the engine, on all of the link bars, the coilover springs. So all that looks really good, and that also kind of ties into that interior color where we have accents in there. For the drivetrain, we still have a small block Chevy. This is a Vortec, swapped out to old school small block heads. We've got a Speedmaster stack injection system. That thing looks bitchin'. We've got valve covers to kind of match and go along with that and kind of play off of some of those black accent colors like the bare brakes and a few other little odd and ends throughout. MSD distributor, automatic transmission. We just got the drive shaft in. So the chassis is coming along really nice. We're getting close to putting it back on the ground. Fuel system is getting really close. We've got the fuel cell in that comes with the Roadster Shop chassis. We've got number 6 lines running down through there. All of our Russell lines, filter. Nice clamps that kind of follow along the frame. We ran them through the frame there. And then coming off of those fittings up to the injection system. So that's pretty much where we're at on the chassis. Here's the wheels we're running. Woo! Intro 20 by 12s. These things super nice, really deep, look really great on the back end of this truck, sitting really low, so it tucks a lot of wheel, looks good. Really love the Roadster Shop chassis. If you're building something, definitely something to look into, because by the time you do the upgrades on your suspension or you build your own chassis, the amount of money you get invested into that, Roadster Shop is a good way to go. They've got their spec chassis, what's on price range with brakes, fuel system, all that. Really not that bad. Let's check out what we've got going on with the body of the truck. So we've got the cab on the rotisserie. We just finished up painting the bottom. All that turned out really nice. We had a few touch-ups on the body, but this is pretty much the paint from 15 years ago. Everything still looks really nice. It's held up really well. We're just gonna cut and buff over this one more time. Stainless exhaust is all finished up, ready to go to the polisher. So we've got parts for this truck in pretty much each area of the shop: upholstery section, paint section, body section. So walking back here to the upholstery section, got all the seats and panels pretty much finished up and wrapped. Got the console finished up. So as far as interior goes, we got pretty much everything ready to go back in. Now, heading out to the paint booth. When they get dark, jeez. So here's the doors to the cab. The only thing we changed on these, we went with Ken Diggett door handles. Really like the look of that. We just had the original style 49 handles on it. Owner wanted to go with these. I think it turned out really nice. So we've got the doors reshot in the carbon flash. Good 5 coats of clear on there. We're starting to cut that down now. So hopefully, if you get these buffed soon, can get all the glass and everything back in them, and they can go back on the cab. So as far as the bed goes, we're pretty much ready for paint. Been doing some seam sealer work today. We went over it, made sure everything's good and straight. The back of this cab, that's where so much of this work is. We did the split bumper rear end on this. We took a 68 Camaro bumper, cut it into 2 pieces, fabbed it up a little bit, shortened it down, tightened it up to the truck, and we've got this nice split bumper design in the back. We went with flush tail lights, so we've got the lenses all blocked down with the roll pan, built the license plate box, all looks good. Got the tailgate molded in, did the teardrop design on the tops of the bed rails as they come down through, also matches in the front. And then for the stake pockets, did just a nice swoop design coming down to give it a little bit of character. The inner fenders, we actually have exterior fenders that are cut down to be the tubs on the inside, which they're in front of the bed ready to paint now. Got all the bed frame built that holds the bed wood. We had to raise the bed floor a little bit to accommodate that Roadster Shop chassis because we're getting so low to the ground now. So all the front of the bed's done as well. Teardrop design, this rolls and kind of follows the shape of the cab. Stake pockets are also finished up. Header panel's done. Inner fenders are ready to go. Front valance piece all ready to paint. Also shooting the insides of the front fenders. They're getting scuffed and ready to go right now. There's those inner fenders that are getting sanded and ready to go. So the truck's coming together quick, looking really good. Hope you guys are liking it. If you want to see more of this, definitely check out those Sunday videos. Actually, this Sunday, the one that will be dropping is interior panels in the truck, a lot of the fab on the rear bed of it, and the seats, start to finish, how we got those. It's a pretty long video. It's jam-packed with a lot of good stuff, so definitely check it out. Anything else you guys want to see around the shop, we got a lot of builds going on. And there's a lot happening with this truck too. So if I'm leaving anything out that you want to see specifically, definitely drop that below. Let me know what it is. And hey, go grab a shirt. Go get some shirts. I got lots of shirts in here and I can't wear them all. So get a shirt. See you next time.